Hello everyone and welcome to WindowRama. Today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the different types of window installations. There's actually two main types, retrofit as well as a frame to frame. Now let's look at them in a little bit more detail, discuss them both and see which one actually makes more sense for your home. When it comes to upgrading or replacing your windows, how the installation happens is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. With a retrofit installation, the new window unit gets placed right into the old window's frame. While this installation improves your home's energy efficiency and often can cost less than a full frame install, this type of installation is not recommended for houses with water damage or rotting around the structure of the window. With a frame-to-frame replacement, old window gets completely removed from the entire window frame and sash right down to the wall structure. This type of installation is more thorough and detailed, and once everything is stripped away, the installers can better address issues such as water damage or removing and replacing the rotten wood. With a retrofit installation, your outside finishes around the window are done with aluminum capping. Although these are less expensive and are easier to install, it's not as efficient for your windows and might not last as long as a vinyl brick molding. Because a frame-to-frame install requires more work and time, plus it uses additional components and parts, ultimately, it ends up being a more secure and a more energy efficient unit that will last you longer. Given all of these additional steps, a full frame window installation can on average be 10 to 20% higher than a simple retrofit installation. Thank you again for watching WindowRama. Hopefully this video was helpful and you now understand the difference between the two types of installation, retrofit versus the full frame window installation. Thank you and good luck.